Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here today. Welcome to our lesson, and this is the last lesson actually. So, our title today is How to Distinguish Fact from Opinion in Reading. This is a very useful skill for understanding the things we read in books, online articles, or even in conversation with others. And also, it's like a reading text in our school. So, why is this important? Sometimes people mix up facts and opinions, and that can lead to confusion. By learning how to separate facts from opinion, you'll become a better reader and thinker. You'll also be able to decide whether the information you're reading is reliable. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to tell the difference between a fact and an opinion. You'll also get to practice with example, and we'll try some fun exercise together. So, let's get started. Okay, first let's talk about facts. What is fact? Guys, you know what is fact? Apa itu fakta? So, a fact is something that is true and can be proven. Jadi fakta itu adalah sesuatu yang bisa dibuktikan, guys. Sesuatu yang dinyatakan benar dan terbukti. This means you can check it using evidence like research, observation, and recorded. Jadi, fakta adalah hal-hal yang bisa dibuktikan dan dicek nih, melakukan dengan hal-hal yang bisa meyakinkan seperti penelitian terdahulu dan juga observation. So, I'll give you the example. The first, the Earth orbits the Sun. The Earth orbits the Sun. This is a fact. Ini adalah fakta, guys. Scientists have been studied the planets and proven this to be true. Jadi udah ada penelitian bahwa orbits is to the sun. So another example is water freeze at 0 degree. You can test this at home with a thermometer and you'll see it's correct, guys. Jadi kalian bisa tes juga di rumah dengan thermometer dan kalian bisa membuktikan bahwa itu benar. And facts don't change based on how people feel about them. For example, even if someone says, I don't believe the earth orbits the sun, the fact doesn't change. It's still true. Jadi ketika fakta itu nggak bisa diubah hanya dengan pendapat orang, yang dirasakan orang. Contohnya gini, aku bilang, aku nggak percaya kalau bumi itu diorbit di matahari. Tapi walaupun ada orang yang ngomong kayak gitu, faktanya tuh nggak bisa berubah. Itu yang disebut fakta. So, when you're reading, facts are the solid, reliable pieces of information. And they help us understand the world around us. Jadi fakta-fakta itu bisa membantu kita untuk memahami hal-hal yang ada di dunia, guys. Jadi di reading text itu juga banyak banget fakta-fakta di sana. And now let's talk about opinions. Pendapat. An opinion is what someone believes, thinks, or feels. Opinions are different from fact because they cannot be proven. Jadi pendapat itu adalah perasaan, kepercayaan, atau pemikiran dari orang, guys. Dan opinions ini sangat-sangat berbeda dari fakta karena pendapat ini nggak bisa dibuktikan. For example, if I say chocolate ice cream is the best flavor, that's my opinion. You might agree with me, or you might think vanilla or strawberry better. It depends on your personal taste. Jadi ketika aku bilang nih, coklat tuh paling enak, rasa yang paling enak. Itu kan pendapat aku nih. Tapi mungkin kalian ngiranya kalian lebih suka sama rasa strawberry mungkin atau mungkin rasa vanilla. Jadi it also depends on what someone feel, thinks, and believe, guys. And the key thing to remember is that opinions are personal. Jadi hal yang perlu diperhatikan itu kuncinya hanya satu. Ingat aja kalau pendapat itu adalah personal, pendapat pribadi. They belong to the person saying them. Opinions often use words like I believe, I think, I feel, best, worst, or should. These two words can help you spot opinions when you're reading. Jadi, kata-kata yang bisa menjadi clue nih, kalau itu opinion adalah kata-kata yang sering dipakai adalah I believe, I think, I feel, and the others, guys. Okay, so now we move to how to tell the difference. How do you tell the difference between a fact and opinion? Sometimes it's easy, but other times it's tricky. Let me show you some simple steps you can follow. First, ask yourself these two questions. Can I prove it with evidence? Then it's facts. Is it how someone feels or think? And then is opinion. Jadi ketika kalian bisa membuktikan dengan pernyataan atau hal-hal yang meyakinkan, itu berarti fakta. Sedangkan is it how someone feel, jika itu berdasarkan dari perasaan, pemikiran orang-orang, berarti itu adalah pendapat. It's easy, right? Okay, so second, look for clue words. Opinions often include words like I think, believe, feel, best, or so like I should do something, or you should not go to anywhere because it's snowing, because like that. So that's an example. So for example, if someone says, I think the Eiffel Tower is the most beautiful building in the world, because in the sentence is said, I think, that's opinion. It's a clearly opinion, not a fact. Because it's based on their feelings, not evidence. Remember, facts and opinion are both important, but they serve different purposes. Facts give us reliable information, and opinion let us know what people think or feel. So that's different. Now, it's easy, right? You can follow the steps like the first one, can I prove with evidence, and then is it how someone feels or thinks. Just it. Easy. Okay, now I'll provide you examples of common practice that we already learned in the previously slide. Okay, let's take a look at this paragraph together. I will read it to you first, or maybe we can read it together and you can repeat after me to see the correct pronunciation. Okay, the Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. It is home to many species of plants and animals that cannot be found anywhere else. In my opinion, the Amazon is the most fascinating place on Earth because of its incredible biodiversity. I think it's important to protect the Amazon so that future generations can enjoy its beauty and benefit. Okay, now your turn. Okay, I'll give you you can pause the video and I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, now let's figure out which part are facts and which are opinion. Mari kita membedakan mana yang fakta dan pendapat. Look at the first sentence, kalimat pertama. The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest in the world, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers. So, what do you think, guys? Is this a fact or opinion? Think about it. Can it be proven? Bisa dibuktikan nggak? Yes, it can. Scientists and maps confirm this, so this is fact. And also, kalau fakta itu juga biasanya dikuatkan dengan data atau angka-angka. Jadi, kalau kemungkinan ada angka-angka itu adalah bisa dikatakan sebagai fakta. Okay, now next the sentence say it is home to many species of plants and animals that cannot be found anywhere else. What about this one? Is it a fact or opinion? What do you think, guys? So, because that say that so many species of plant animals that cannot be found anywhere else, and this is also fact because there are so many proof that been studied about Amazon forest. So, because it can be proved, then it's fact. Now, the next sentence. In my opinion, the Amazon is the most fascinating place on Earth because of its incredible biodiversity. What do you think? Is it fact or opinion? Remember, like the clue words that I said before, my opinion, I think, I believe, best, word, should. It's clue for opinion sentence. And then, yep, this is the opinion sentence. And the last sentence say, I think it's important to protect the Amazon so that future generation can enjoy its beauty and benefits. This is also opinion because look at the first word of the sentence is use I and think. So I think it's include for opinion part. Okay, now I'll give you another example. It's about a Great Wall in China. And let's look at this paragraph together and I'll read it out loud first and then you can repeat after me. The Great Wall of China is one of the longest structures ever built, stretching over 21,000 kilometers. It was constructed to protect ancient Chinese kingdoms from invaders. Many people say the Great Wall is the most impressive structure in the world because of its size and history. Visiting the Great Wall should be on everyone's travel list. Okay, now let's break it down sentence by sentence and figure out which part are facts and which are opinions. So the first sentence say the Great Wall of China is one of the longest structures ever built, stretching over 21,000 kilometers. So what do you think, guys? Is this a fact or opinion? Like I said before in our previous example, that fact also include the number or the data. So number it can categorize as a data. So in the sentence is this is a fact, fakta. And the next sentence say it was constructed to protect ancient Chinese kingdom from invaders. And what about this one? Is it fact or opinion? Yep, this is also fact because historians have studied this and confirmed it was the purpose of the Great Wall. And now look at the next part. Many people say the Great Wall is the most impressive structure in the world because of its size and history. Is this a fact or an opinion? Yeah, this is opinion because you can see the word say and many people say. Many people say is also opinion, guys. So it's opinion. And the last sentence. Visiting the Great Wall should be on everyone's travel list. Remember in the previous lesson, I said that should, word should is opinion. Like this is definitely opinion because visiting the Great Wall should be on everyone's travel list because it's from based on personal opinion that suggests us to visit the Great Wall, and yeah, it's also that she say that this is the greatest wall. So in this paragraph, the first two sentences are facts and the last two are opinions. This shows us how facts and opinions can be mixed in one paragraph. You can use the clues we've learned, like asking if it can be proven or looking for persuasive language to separate them. Thank you. Okay, now we move to the practice assignment. So there are 3 questions about this paragraph. So we have the same rules like a previously video. You can pause the video and I'll give you like 3 or 5 minutes to answer the question, and you can play it again and we can answer it together. So number 1, let's read the text first. Recycling helps reduce waste and conserves natural resources. Many people think recycle is important because it helps protect the environment. Some people believe that recycling is not effective, that it takes too much time. However, studies show that recycling can significantly reduce the amount of trash sent to landfills and help save energy. So, question number 1. Which of the following is a fact from the paragraph? So the fact, guys. The fact is, yes, recycling helps reduce waste and conserves natural resources because that, as you can see in the sentence, this one, the last sentence is mentioned about studies so that recycling can significantly reduce the amount of trash, and then it's facts. So the facts is A. Recycling helps reduce waste and conserves natural resources. And then number 2. Which of the sentence express opinion? Yeah, opinion, guys. So that's an easy one. So the answer is C. Some people believe that recycling is not effective because some people is based on their personal experience or taste. So yeah, it's opinion. And number 3, why is the statement some people believe that recycling is not effective considered an opinion? Kenapa itu dibilang sebagai pendapat? So the answer is A. It is based on personal belief. So they believe that that is also mentioned in that text. Some people believe. Belief is the word that represent opinion, guys. So yeah, The answer is A. And yeah, I think that's all for today for today's lesson, and I hope you guys understand. And it's easy, right, to distinguish about fact from opinion. Bye bye.